The chance to meet external faculty and have them look over our proposals and then to present in front of them was extremely valuable because, you know, this sort of job interview is a little bit unusual.
I think it was a great experience, really inspiring for me because I could see people getting prepared and eventually land up with great positions.
So it's really nice to have people come up from outside of your field, outside of my comfort zone, and see whether I can explain my science well to them, whether they can understand what I'm talking about, and whether they can follow it, and whether they find it very exciting or not.
I found it really surprising actually that some of the things that I had been focusing on and fretting about maybe weren't necessarily the things that I should be focusing on, and some of the other areas that I might not have thought about were the things that were brought up during the workshop.
It was great. It's beyond words I could actually explain. I'm doing the whole process for the first time. They gave really good input how to frame my question in a more acceptable way.
The best input had been to expand the reach of my statements or my presentations or my chalk talks to a more broader audience of biology so that it has a much wider reach and not just people who already know my work or already know me.
I was encouraged to focus on the big picture rather than focusing on the minutiae that I might be focusing on as a bench scientist. And I found that really valuable.
I really loved the chalk talk, writing things down, drawing cartoons about cavefish, and discussing what I'm most excited to do in the coming 5 or 10 years. I think that was a great part.
I can't think of a better program for somebody that's interested in a faculty position for going through this because it's about as close as you're going to get to a real life situation.
So I would say it's 100% useful. You have to go through the training. Please do it.